Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Nate. Wait, did I do this before? I don't think it's back. Today, we're going to make lentil and rice soup. Need a pot, a strainer, some lentils, some leftover rice, and the secret ingredient, the flavor pack from a ramen noodle package. Cup of lentils. Put it in there. Try not to spill them. They get stuck, it happens. Rinse these all around nicely. You get any dust and dirt from the manufacturing process off of them. There we go. Don't want to waste too much water. Don't really need to rinse them a lot. So we'll just do that. We'll add that to our regular pot. There. We'll add some leftover rice. Yeah. Alright, now we'll just add it to the heater, the stove. Need the correct size lid. Find the correct size lid. There we go. This lid was used yesterday to make the same soup, so whatever. Now we come back in about 20 minutes. Okay, it is done. Now you just have to let it cool for an hour.
We'll be talking about how to move entire solar systems to explore the map. Make sure to subscribe. And of course, once it's frozen,
It smells good. Way too hot. It's very good. I need more water. Well, that's how I make soup for $1, something like that. About $1 worth of stuff.